Hello guys, this is the 600 CBR model. Today I put the new filter, sprint filter. It's Italian filter, and I show you exactly how to do it. Now I want to show you, this is the model for 24, 25, 26. This is what we need. You see here the screw, okay? And this is the old model. I buy this old model. This is not good because the screw is not in the right place. I'll show you exactly how it's mean. You see, it's different. Okay, you need to be careful if you buy only 24, 25. And remember how it look. You see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is 1, 2, 3. This is the old one CBR. This is the good one. Okay, after we take this off, we need to take off this one. This is a little bit tricky, so I take this cap off and I release here the screw because it give me more extra space. First, we take the seat off when we have one here Allen and here. Okay, this is the key, the take off the seat. Now we have 1, 2, 3. I take with this one, for this I do it very slowly because I don't have the right machine for this. Okay, so be careful and do it slowly. Okay, after we take off this screw, we take this off. So I release this one, this one, this one, and this one. After I release this one, you can put this, it's okay. I need more free to take this off. Let me see if I can do it in one hand. Maybe. No, I can't. Oh, now it's okay. It's tricky. You need to play with this plastic and to take it off. Okay, now after its release, we take here this screw and we have this one, and inside we have here more plastic. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, no, okay, now after we take all the screw off, we need to take the plastic off. It's like this, something like this. It's going. Oh, I see. You see here, 1. I needed 2 hands for this one, but this is like is going out. Okay. You have only plastic here, and we take all this off. Take this, all this take off. I'll show you how to do it. You need to play with the plastic, you see, and all the plastic is get out. We need to take this one up. Okay, it means I need to go to another side and to do it again. Okay, in the same, you see? This plastic take off. Let's see, maybe I can do it. Okay. This is my second time I do it, okay? So maybe it's the plastic now is give me a chance. Need here to take it off. Opa. This is off. And now all this tank need to get up. Let me see how I do it. Yes, after we take all the plastic off, two hands to take this tank off, you see? All the plastic is here. Show you here how it's look like. Now we need to take this off and the second this off. All this tank get over here because we need to get inside to the computer to take the screw off to get the filter. Here the filter. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, after we take this screw off, you need to check something. This one you take need off, so take it off because it's maybe to go down inside to the engine. I show you what I mean. Okay, this is the second side. I take it off. Now I need to move this one up. Okay, I take this up and I do hammer. This is my friend Ziv tell me how to do it. Now I want to see something. You see this one? Take it off because it's maybe go down to your motor and after you need to kill yourself to take it off. So I take it off, okay? Now here we have 1, 2. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screw. We need to take it off. Only 4 screw get out. These 3 we have here something is not given up. It's okay. Only release them. That's all. Okay. After I release all this one, this is the filter, and this is the screw. I need 1 here and 1 here. You see? 1 and 2. Release. I have small one to put it inside, you see, like this, and take off the key. That's all, you see. After this screw get up, you take your filter here and change it. I'll show you how to do it. So this is the original one. You see, this is the sprint filter exactly inside to the wall, and we need only to take the screw from the old one and take this one. That's all. This screw. You need only take this screw, you see. I open a little bit the plastic and take off the screw. That's all, folks. I hope it's going to be okay for you. I'm Shlomi from Israel. We love you. Peace and love, guys. And drive carefully. ביי לכל החבר'ה בישראל.